Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. As you know that already we have started lesson something new. We have completed the main story and we have started other important points as well. Already we have completed 5 learning plans. Last was practice inferring theme and today we are taking the sixth one, which is the last one, formative assessment. So let's begin. So aim of this particular lecture is apply understanding of the concepts and skills covered in the block to complete the block assessment. And the resources which we need: a block assessment notebook and exceed content book. So let's begin the same. Here in this particular story, there are two students. Okay, the story is all about two students. After this, we are going to solve some of the questions. We are going to write their answers. So let's complete the reading of the text. What you have to do at home: first, go through this, just pause the video, read this particular passage. After that, go on the next slide, copy down all the questions, and after that, what you have to do, you have to write answers of those questions and you have to send it to me. Since this one is all about assessment, this is very short video, correct? So don't think like that the lecture is very short. So let's begin. Tarun and Sunny were both students in Mr. Mehta's reading class. Mr. Mehta wasn't too strict about deadlines, and Sunny took advantage of that. He did all of his homework for his other subjects, but never bothered to complete Mr. Mehta's reading assignments, thinking that he could complete them later. Tarun, on the other hand, completed each of the assignments Mr. Mehta assigned the same night. He had to stay up a little later, but he was sure that he didn't want to get a penalty for turning in his reading work late. Okay. Tarun knew reading was a core subject and that he had to keep his average for the entire year or he would have to go to summer school. Tarun and Sunny planned to go to the amusement park at the end of the quarter, but Mr. Mehta called Sunny's mother and told her about her son not handing in his work. She grounded Sunny until he turned in all of his work. That weekend was horrible for Sunny. He stayed up until 2 a.m. each night but still couldn't complete all his assignments. The whole while, Tarun had a great time watching movies and enjoying his weekend. At the end of the quarter, Sunny was lucky to squeak by with a C minus in reading, while Tarun earned an A. Sunny learnt his lesson and ensured that he completed his assignments on time from then on. So this is all about the story of two students, Tarun and Sunny, and their study habits. Let's check the questions. Students, do remember you have to copy these questions in your notebook. You have to write their answers and send it to me. What is the main problem that Sunny faces? What is the solution of the problem? Okay, so do write for the same. Copy down all these questions. Leave few lines for writing an answer. After that, once again watch the video, pause the video on that particular slide where the passage has been given, correct? So that you can read and find out the question's answer. Describe the change in Sunny's feelings from the start to the end of the story. You have to describe the change in Sunny's feelings from the start to the end of the story. Next, what is the theme of the story? What evidence from the story support this theme? What is the theme of the story? What evidence from the story support this theme? Third, write about a time in your life when you learnt the lesson as Sunny. Okay, you have to write about a time in your life when you learned the lesson as Sunny. Something else, not like that study, but because of your lazy habits, how you learnt an important lesson in your life that you have to write. Understood? I hope so. Okay, so thank you so much, all of you. You have to just complete all those questions along with this simple work. Complete project work from the Exceed content book. And the lesson is something new. Okay, in the question answers, in the practice question answers, at the end there is one question about project. So you have to complete that and you have to send it to me on WhatsApp along with all these question answers based on the passage. So thank you so much for watching this video very carefully and patiently. Thanks a lot. Have a great day to all of you.